In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide header and footer on Wix. If you're building a distraction-free landing page, a minimalist portfolio, or simply testing a layout without site-wide navigation, hiding the header and footer is a quick way to get that clean, focused look. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. If your screen looks simplified or says you're using an automated builder, switch to the full Wix editor so you can access the header and footer controls. Once you're in the editor, go to the page where you want to make changes. You'll see the page sections outlined when you hover near the top or bottom of the canvas. Click directly on the header area at the top of the page or on the footer at the bottom to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline and a small label indicating header or footer. With it selected, look for the settings toolbar that appears. In that toolbar, find the option labeled Show on All Pages and toggle it off. Turning this off removes that header or footer from appearing across your site, so you're no longer showing the same element everywhere. This is especially useful when you want a page to stand on its own, free from the standard site Chrome. If you only want to hide the header or footer on a specific page, use the right-click option instead. Right-click the selected header or footer and choose Hide on Page. This removes it on the page you're working on while keeping it visible elsewhere. You can repeat this on any page where you want a cleaner, standalone design. It's a flexible approach, global visibility when you need it, and page-by-page control when you don't. A few practical tips before you finalize your layout. If you hide the header, you're also removing the usual navigation menu. Make sure you provide alternate navigation inside the page content, such as buttons or links, so visitors can still find their way. If you're crafting a conversion-focused page, that might be intentional. Just ensure there's a clear call to action. Also, check how your changes look on mobile. Switch to the mobile view in the editor to confirm the header and footer are hidden there as well, and adjust spacing so there isn't any unexpected gap at the top or bottom. That's it. Open your site in the Wix editor, select the header or footer, toggle Show on All Pages off for a global change, or right-click and Hide on Page for a targeted page. Simple, clean, and effective. And